Welcome to Orlando.
We are in Florida for our wonderful, amazing, incredible Disney Treasure Cruise that's coming up tomorrow. We have landed at MCO from MSY and have checked in. Our room was ready by 10 o'clock. And so now we are ready to go on an adventure. We are at the Hyatt Regency 7093. Hello, can I have a tour of your room?
Yes.
As you walk in to this room, you have a mirror, and then you have books to hang your belongings. There's a nice desk area with a lamp, another mirror, pretty big TV.
That's huge.
I don't know that we've had a TV this big in any of our other rooms here. And there's a little seating area. A safe, coffee maker, fridge. And this is our first time ever having a view of the tarmac. So we can see the airplanes landing and taking off. We actually requested this through our travel agent this time because all of our previous rooms faced the inside of the airport and we wanted to try something new. It's been pretty cool watching them coming in. And our room has 2 beds, which if you've never stayed here before, these beds are so comfortable. Right, Zoe?
Yeah.
I don't usually sleep well in hotel rooms, except this one. And there's like a little closet storage area here. Oh, look at that. You could iron your clothes.
Yeah. Oh, there's a light switch right there.
Look at that. Light switch with hangers. And this is pretty cool. We've never had this in any of our other hotel rooms here. It has a bathtub. And a separate shower.
You can also take a shower in the other one because it has a shower head.
Ah, yes. And they come stocked with body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Huge vanity area with storage underneath and a mirror. This is a cool room. So where are we gonna go now, Zoe?
The American Girl store.
The American Girl store. We've never been there before, but Mia has tagged along for a special experience. See you real soon. Someone's in a rush. She's so excited. I've never seen her this much in a rush before. There it is. This store was so much bigger than we had imagined, and little did Zoe know that we had booked a hair salon appointment for Mia.
Mom, here's the salon. That is so cool.
Doll hair salon.
What? Oh.
Look at the Harry Potter.
That's cool, and they're playing Quidditch. Look how cute this is. I can't even. Whoa. Look, it's almost kind of Mia. But no, it's
Oh,
not
look
even
at
the
that
same- it's
hair.
like the
How
same-
cute.
It is so cool. Whoa. That's so cool. Look at the same outfit she has. But she had it on the other side. But I switched it.
Someone's happy. Very excited.
The best thing about it is probably this. The salon. I like this one.
The waterfall.
Celebrating anything today or just having fun?
First visit.
All right.
Zoe ended up choosing the Truly Me experience. First, you select your doll and then an outfit and accessories. How cute.
I'll be extremely careful.
So Zoe has selected this doll with gray eyes, caramel hair, and pink and blue highlights. And so part of the package is that she gets to choose a new outfit
Oh.
and change the doll's clothes.
Right here in the store. And this is the outfit. This is the dress for your sequin. That was your dude.
Zoe's dressing her new baby.
I have a name, but I don't know if it's going to be final yet, so I'm not telling anyone.
Look at Zoe and her new girl. She's all decked out in pink sequins, little boots, and a birthday headband.
Yep.
So Zoe's going to reveal the name.
Okay. Her name is Bailey.
Bailey! Welcome to the family, Bailey. So cute.
So her birthday is February 28th. Yep.
Happy birthday.
Yay!
Alright, and you get to take the bottle home. So you can paint your other doll too.
2 months before our trip, I called the American Girl store in Orlando to book our reservation for the bistro because they are only open on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. I also booked the hair appointment at that time. For the bistro, it is a $50 deposit when you call, but it does end up being $35 a person. And you have different courses, different options for drinks. And I got the pizza, Zoe got the chicken tenders and french fries, and Zaz ordered the salad. All the desserts were wonderful. The appetizers were great. Our food was wonderful. We were actually very surprised at how good the quality was. So we visited the Crocs store because we've never been in a store like that.
Yep.
And Zoe decided to get some little charms for her Crocs.
Okay, so first I got this one. It's a cow and it's like a squishmallow. It's really cute. It's like one of my favorite ones. And then I got a Z for Zoe. I got a palm tree for like whenever we go on vacation. And I also got a seashell for when we go on vacation. And I got this cute little flower. You can't really tell, but it's like light blue in the middle. I got this really cute moon. And I got a peace sign that's red and purple. Always love this.
Zoe, what are you doing?
Shopping.
You're shopping already? We just got here.
Yep.
We haven't even been here for
2 seconds.
2 seconds, your papi says. And
this
you're
is
already shopping at the Disney store across from the hotel.
Yep.
Are you spending your own money?
Yep.
That's a first.
As long as you spend your money in your gift card, you can buy whatever you want. She can't decide between all the different jewelry, the necklaces, the bracelets,
Okay, I'm done.
the earrings. Let me see. What are you gonna get?
Okay, so I got this. It's like friendship bracelets, Stitch and Angel. I got a Pez dispenser, that's Daisy. obviously I got rock candy. I got a mini pen, and then this cute, I was about to drop it, my cute bracelet, Mickey bracelet.
All right. What are you buying me?
Nothing.
Nothing. Sounds about right. We have returned to the room after eating dinner. We went to the food court. So now we're getting everything ready for tomorrow and winding down for the day. What did you think about today?
It was good.
What was your favorite part?
Probably getting Bailey, my American Girl doll.
I like that name, Bailey. How do you spell Bailey? Because there's different ways of spelling it.
Bailey.
Okay. That was my first thought, but so I enjoyed watching this one get super excited in the store. Like she would walk around and was like, oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, look at that. Oh, look what they have. Look at this. Look at that. So that was really fun to experience for the first time. What did you think of the American Girl store?
Oh, it was wonderful.
I know it was a dream come true
Oh,
for
yeah,
you.
I can't wait to go back.
Oh, you hear him say he's
Yay.
going to bring you back. Maybe we can go to Chicago or New York instead.
Oh yeah.
The girl at the American Girl store told us that Chicago and New York are the biggest ones, and they even have a real hair salon for the girls. So while the doll's getting her hair done, the girl can get her hair done.
Anything to make a buck.
So what did you like?
Probably eat lunch with everybody and and Bailey. Wait, was it no Bailey?
No,
No,
Mia.
Mia.
Oh, Mia. Yeah, we got so many kids now.
Her doll got to join us. Mia, the OG, her original American Girl,
Dun, 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 dun.
whom she brought all the way from Louisiana. So Mia got the works. She got her hair done. She got her nails painted.
Can't really tell, but
And
they're
she
blue.
got a full body scrub. The things we do for our kids, like
yeah.
really, we paid for her dog to get scrubbed down. So, but it's the memories, right? The memories.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
So after the bistro, we went and walked around the mall, which is a pretty big mall. We went to the Crayola Experience gift shop, and I think next time we come to Orlando, we'll try the full experience, because I think that'll be fun to do. And what else? Anything else that we need to touch base on? Today has been much more relaxing than a Disney World park day. Don't come at me, people. What do you
What?
think? Was today more relaxing?
Yes.
Yes, it was. I liked today very much so. So we're going to get a good night's sleep tonight and wake up in the morning, go have breakfast in the food court, and get ready for embarkation day. The best day of the year, right?
It was my birthday.
A birthday
And Christmas.
and Christmas and
So
Mardi
far.
Gras
Best day of the year so far.
Yeah.
so far. So thanks for joining us on our travel day, and we will see y'all tomorrow.